Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, March the 3rd. We were so busy yesterday with our half day, we didn't even get a chance to see what was on our calendar for yesterday, so we'll find out. We noticed that on our first day, we had a clock, an analog clock that did show 12 o'clock. Let's see what's on yesterday's card. Whoa! We have another analog clock, but it doesn't say 12 o'clock. If we look at it very carefully, it has a different time on it. It's in between the 12 and the 1. That little hand is in between the 12 and the 1. And remember, we go back. We don't go up to the number. We go back. So it will be 12. And the big hand is on the 6. Wow. What did we talk about with that? We count by 5. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The time is 12:30. So it was 12 o'clock here, and now it's 12:30. Here's a question I want to ask you, All-Stars. How much time passed by from 12 o'clock until 12:30? And if you're not sure, here's how you can tell. We're going to pretend like we're moving that big hand from the 12 to the 6, and we're going to count by 5s to do it. So again, we would count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes passed by from Tuesday's clock to Wednesday's clock. But that was Wednesday's clock. That was yesterday. We still don't know what it says today. Let's find out. We'll click it and, oh my goodness. Now, what time does it say on this clock? Did you say 1 o'clock? You're absolutely right if you said 1 o'clock. So it was on 12:30 yesterday. And then that big hand moved up to the 12. So let's do this. Let's count and see how much time passed by to move from the 6 to the 12 with that big hand. So we count again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes passed by from yesterday's clock until today's clock. Good job, All-Stars. As we continue to talk about our days in school, we added 2 days, yesterday's day in school plus 2 days, to give us 109. Can you believe that? 109 days in school. 109. Which means we have 109 is our number. 109 is words, number words. 10 groups of 10, which is equal to 100, or what we call a flat here, and 9 ones. There are 9 of them. We have 100 plus 9, which will equal 109, which is also equal to 10 dimes. Did you know, class, that 10 dimes is equal to $1? $1. And 9 cents. 9 cents. Finally, for the month of March, we are going to collect dimes, nickels, and pennies as we talk about activities for March. So I am going to spin our spinner to see what we have for this day. Wow. We have here, and I'll make it bigger so you can see it, and then we'll add it to the collection. We have 1 dime and 3 pennies that it landed on. 1 dime and 3 pennies. So we're going to add 1 dime here and 3. 1, 2, 3 pennies. Wow. You know, we didn't spin yesterday, so let's spin for yesterday also. Let's see what it landed on. That looks pretty close, class. Wow, it landed on 2 dimes. 2 dimes. So we'll add that to our collection as well. 2 more dimes. So at this time we have 3 dimes and 3 pennies. Class, we are going to continue to explore more and more with our number corner as we talk about telling time and numbers using coins to count. I'd like you to count now, starting from the number 100 all the way up to the number 120. And once you reach 120, count backwards from 120 to the number 100. I know you can do it. Off you go. Enjoy.